Are you ignoring subtle changes in your body? Colon cancer, one of the most common cancers globally, often starts with silent warning signs. But don't worry. Today, I'll uncover the 7 crucial signs of colon cancer you need to watch for, and most importantly, how to reduce your risk effectively. Stick around, your health might depend on it. Point 1. Persistent changes in bowel habits. A noticeable shift in your regular bowel routine, such as ongoing diarrhea, constipation, or alternating between the two, may point to an underlying issue in the colon. These changes can last for weeks and don't typically resolve on their own. Such symptoms often indicate disruptions in the colon's ability to process and expel waste efficiently, which may be caused by the presence of a tumor obstructing or irritating the intestinal lining. Frequent feelings of urgency to have a bowel movement, even after just using the restroom, are another red flag. This sensation might stem from incomplete evacuation or irritation in the rectum. Similarly, changes in stool consistency or shape, such as stools becoming thinner or ribbon-like, can also be a cause for concern, hinting at a narrowing of the intestinal passage. Point 2. Blood in stool or rectal bleeding. The presence of blood in the stool or rectal bleeding is a significant indicator that something may be wrong with the colon. Often appearing as bright red streaks or darker, tarry stools, this symptom can signal internal bleeding caused by a tumor in the colon or rectum. The color of the blood can provide clues about the location of the issue. Bright red blood typically originates lower in the colon or rectum, while darker or black stool indicates bleeding from higher up. This symptom might also be mistaken for conditions like hemorrhoids or anal fissures, but the key difference lies in its recurrence and unexplained nature. In some cases, the bleeding may be so minor that it's only detected through laboratory tests or visible on toilet paper. Point 3. Abdominal pain or cramping. Persistent abdominal pain or cramping is another key symptom that could indicate colon cancer. These discomforts often arise from the tumor partially obstructing the colon, disrupting the smooth flow of waste through the digestive system. As a result, the bowel may become stretched or inflamed, leading to sensations of pressure, dull aches, or sharp cramps. The pain may be localized in different parts of the abdomen, depending on where the tumor is situated. Some individuals describe it as recurring waves of discomfort that are hard to pinpoint, while others might notice a specific area of tenderness. Gas buildup due to slowed bowel movement can further intensify the cramping. Point 4. Unexplained weight loss. A sudden and unexplained drop in weight can be an alarming sign of colon cancer. This weight loss occurs because cancer alters how the body uses energy and nutrients. Tumors in the colon may release chemicals that change your metabolism, leading to a rapid breakdown of fat and muscle tissue. These metabolic changes happen even if your appetite remains unaffected initially. Additionally, the physical presence of a tumor can partially block the colon, making digestion and nutrient absorption less efficient. As a result, your body may struggle to extract the energy it needs from food, leading to noticeable weight reduction over time. In some cases, appetite may also decrease due to discomfort, nausea, or changes in bowel habits, further contributing to weight loss. Point 5. Fatigue and weakness. Persistent fatigue and unexplained weakness can be early but overlooked signs of colon cancer. These symptoms often result from the body's struggle to cope with the disease. Colon cancer can lead to slow, chronic blood loss through the gastrointestinal tract, often without visible symptoms, resulting in anemia. This reduction in red blood cells diminishes oxygen transport throughout the body, leaving you feeling consistently drained and lacking energy. Moreover, the cancer cells themselves consume significant nutrients as they grow and spread, depriving the body of vital energy sources. This metabolic burden can make even routine tasks feel exhausting and sap your strength over time. Unlike temporary tiredness, this fatigue does not improve with rest or a good night's sleep. Point 6. Narrow or pencil-shaped stools. When the shape of your stool becomes consistently narrow or pencil-like, it may signal a restriction in the colon's passageway. This could occur due to the presence of a growth or tumor reducing the diameter of the colon, leaving less room for the stool to pass through. Such changes in stool shape should not be ignored, especially if they persist over time. Unlike occasional variations caused by diet or dehydration, chronic narrowing might indicate a more serious underlying issue, such as colon cancer. These changes can also be accompanied by other symptoms like bloating or a sensation of incomplete evacuation, further hinting at an obstruction or abnormality in the colon. Point 7. Feeling that your bowel doesn't empty completely. The sensation of incomplete evacuation after a bowel movement can be a subtle but concerning indicator of colon cancer. This feeling may arise due to a tumor in the colon that partially blocks the passage, preventing stool from exiting entirely. Such obstructions can also irritate the colon, leading to a persistent urge to defecate even when the bowel is empty. This symptom might also be accompanied by changes in stool consistency or the frequent need to strain during bowel movements. In some cases, it could mimic conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, making it easy to dismiss. However, when this sensation persists over time or occurs alongside other signs, it warrants immediate medical attention. Now let's discuss on how to reduce the risk. Number 1. Eat a fiber-rich diet. A fiber-rich diet acts like a natural broom for your colon, sweeping out waste and toxins that could potentially lead to issues. Foods high in fiber, such as whole grains, legumes, and fruits like pears and berries, help regulate bowel movements, preventing constipation and minimizing the time harmful substances stay in your digestive tract. Soluble fiber, found in oats and beans, feeds healthy gut bacteria, boosting overall colon health and supporting your immune system. Insoluble fiber, from sources like vegetables and whole wheat, adds bulk to your stool, promoting easier passage and reducing strain on your colon. Number 2. Limit red and processed meats. Reducing your intake of red and processed meats is crucial for maintaining a healthy colon. These meats, particularly when cooked at high temperatures or cured with preservatives, can release harmful compounds like heterocyclic amines, HCAs, and nitrosamines, which may damage the lining of your colon. Opting for lean protein sources, such as poultry, fish, tofu, or legumes, can help minimize exposure to these harmful substances. Number 3. Stay physically active. Regular physical activity plays a significant role in lowering your risk of colon cancer by improving digestion and maintaining a healthy weight. Exercise helps regulate bowel movements, reducing the time waste spends in the colon, which minimizes exposure to potential carcinogens. Activities like brisk walking, cycling, or swimming enhance circulation and promote overall gut health by supporting the efficiency of the digestive system. Number 4. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol. Smoking and excessive alcohol consumption are two major lifestyle habits that significantly increase the risk of colon cancer. Tobacco contains harmful chemicals that enter your bloodstream and can damage the lining of your colon, creating an environment conducive to cancerous growths. Even secondhand smoke can expose your body to these toxins, so avoiding tobacco altogether is essential. Number 5. Get regular screenings. Routine screenings are one of the most effective ways to detect colon cancer early, often before symptoms arise. These medical checks, such as colonoscopies, help identify precancerous polyps or abnormal growths in the colon lining that can be removed before they develop into cancer. Early detection dramatically increases the chances of successful treatment and long-term survival. Number 6. Maintain a healthy weight. Keeping your weight within a healthy range is a critical factor in reducing the risk of colon cancer. Obesity, particularly carrying excess fat around the abdomen, has been linked to a higher likelihood of developing colon cancer due to the hormonal and inflammatory changes it triggers in the body. Managing your weight helps stabilize insulin levels and reduces chronic inflammation, both of which are associated with cancer risk. Number 7. Manage stress levels. Chronic stress can weaken your immune system and disrupt your body's natural ability to fight inflammation, potentially increasing your risk of colon cancer. When stress becomes persistent, it often leads to unhealthy coping mechanisms such as overeating, smoking, or drinking alcohol, behaviors that can further elevate your cancer risk. Managing stress effectively is, therefore, a crucial step in safeguarding your colon health. In summary, recognizing the 7 warning signs of colon cancer, from changes in bowel habits and blood and stool to persistent fatigue, can save your life. Pair this awareness with proactive steps like eating a fiber-rich diet, staying active, and getting regular screenings to keep colon cancer at bay. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more health tips that could save lives. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future topics. Stay healthy and take care.